Welcome to InfyGyan friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra. We have to find sum of all possible irrational roots. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So our answer cannot be -4, -6, -8, -10, 0, -2, -12, -14. Now we have 4 and 10 in the denominators, 6 and 8 in the denominators, 0 and 14 in the denominators, and 2 and 12 in the denominators, which adds up 14. So let us use substitution here. Let us say the middle of 0 and 14, which is x plus 7, equal to our substitution, suppose u. So we'll write our equation in variable u. 1 over x plus 4 will be 1 over u minus 3 plus 1 over x plus 6 will be 1 over u minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 8, 1 over u plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 10 will be 1 over u plus 3. In right hand side, 1 over x, 1 over u minus 7, 1 over x plus 2, 1 over u minus 5, 1 over x plus 12, 1 over u plus 5, and 1 over x plus 14 will be 1 over u plus 7. Now we can rewrite our equation 1 over u plus 3 plus 1 over u minus 3 plus 1 over u plus 1 plus 1 over u minus 1 in left hand side, and in RHS 1 over u plus 7 plus 1 over u minus 7 plus 1 over u plus 5 plus 1 over u minus 5. Now we are going to take LCM. So in numerator u minus 3 plus u plus 3. So u plus u will be 2u. So we'll write 2u over u plus 3 times u minus 3, which will be u square minus 9, using difference of two squares formula. Here we will write 2u over u square minus 1 equal to 2u over u square minus 49 plus 2u over u square minus 5 square, which is 25. Now we will take all the terms to RHS, and there we will take 2u common from the numerator. So I can write here 2u is common in bracket 1 over u square minus 49 minus 1 over u square minus 1 plus 1 over u square minus 25 minus 1 over u square minus 9 equal to 0. Now we can use product 0 rule. So we will write either u equal to 0 or 1 over u square minus 49 minus 1 over u square minus 1 plus 1 over u square minus 25 minus 1 over u square minus 9 equal to 0. So from u equal to 0, u was our substitution x plus 7. We will write here x plus 7 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 7, which is rational root. That's why we will reject our solution x equal to minus 7. So we will put second equation equal to 0. Now let us assume u square, suppose this is equal to a. So we can write equation 1 over a minus 49 minus 1 over a minus 1 plus 1 over a minus 25 minus 1 over a minus 9 equal to 0. Now we will take LCM. So I will write in the numerator a minus 1 minus a plus 49, which will give us 48 in the numerator. And in denominator, once we will multiply a minus 49 with a minus 1, we are going to write a square minus 50a plus 49 plus a minus 9 minus a plus 25. So 25 minus 9 is 16. We'll write 16 in the numerator. In denominator, we'll get a square minus 34a plus 225 equal to 0. Now we can take 16 common from the numerator. So we can write our equation. 16 is common. So we'll be writing here 16 common. In the bracket, we'll write 3 over a square minus 50a plus 49 plus 1 over a square minus 34a plus 225 equal to 0. Now we'll take LCM once again. So we can write 3 times a square minus 34a plus 225 plus a square minus 50a plus 49. This should be equal to 0. Now we will expand or simplify LHS and write 3a square 3 times 34, 102 a plus 3 times 225, 675 plus a square minus 50a plus 49 equal to 0. 3a square plus a square, 4a square. Then we will get minus 102 minus 50 minus 152a. 675 plus 49, 724 equal to 0. We'll take 4 common out. So in the bracket, we will write a square minus 38a plus 181 equal to 0. So from here, we will write a square minus 38a plus 181 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. I will take 181 to the RHS for completing the squares method. So I will write a square minus 38a in the left hand side and we'll write minus 181 in the RHS. Now coefficient of a is minus 38, half of that minus 19 is square of that 361. So we will add 361 to LHS, 361 to RHS. Now our left hand side will give us one perfect square of a minus 19. And in RHS, 361 minus 181, value will be 180, which we can write 9 times 20 will be equal to a minus 19 whole square. Now we'll take a square root both sides. So a minus 19 will be equal to plus minus 3 square root 20. Now we have to add 19 to both sides. So a will be equal to 19 plus minus 3 times square root of 20. Now a was our substitution, u square. I will write here u square equal to 19 plus minus 3 square root 20. Again, we have to take square root both sides. So we will get u value equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 square root of 20. Now u was x plus 7. So we can write here x plus 7 equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 square root 20. Now we have to subtract 7 from both the sides. So x will be equal to minus 7 plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 square root of 20. Now we have 4 solutions here. Let me write here x1 will be equal to minus 7 with plus sign square root of 19 plus 3 square root 20. Our first solution. Second solution will write x2 equal to minus 7 minus square root of 19 plus 3 square root 20. Third solution will be equal to minus 7. We'll write plus here and then we'll put minus in the radicand part. 19 minus 3 square root 20. And we'll write here x4 will be equal to minus 7. Here we'll write minus and then we'll put 19 minus 3 square root 20 as a radicand. Now we have to add all the 4 irrational roots. So once we will add them up. So I will write here x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. We are going to get minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 28. So let me write here sum of irrational roots will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. We will get our answer minus 28. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.